In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Flexibits support, the makers of Fantastical, from your iPhone. If you're having an issue, want to report a bug, or simply need some guidance, reaching the right support team directly inside the app is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Fantastical app on your iPhone. Make sure you're connected to the internet so your message can be sent without any hiccups. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to grab the latest version, as that can resolve some issues before you even write in. Once Fantastical is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the menu icon, often called the hamburger menu, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open the app's sidebar. From there, find and tap Settings. It typically looks like a gear icon and gives you access to all of Fantastical's preferences and support options. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down until you see Help. Tap Help to open the support section. This is where you'll find resources like FAQs and troubleshooting, but for direct assistance, you'll want to move to the next option. Select Contact Flexibits Priority Support. This routes you to the official support channel from the team behind Fantastical. It's designed to make sure your message goes to the right place and includes the basic information the team needs to assist you efficiently. From here, simply follow the prompts. You'll be guided to describe your issue, and you may be asked for helpful details such as what you were doing when the problem occurred, steps to reproduce it, and which device and iOS version you're using. If there's an option to include screenshots or diagnostic info, consider enabling it. This can speed up the investigation. Keep your message clear and specific, and avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. Focus on what's happening, how often it occurs, and what you've already tried. When you've completed the prompts, submit your request. You should receive confirmation, and the support team will reply through the contact methods specified in the form. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if needed, check your spam or junk folder so you don't miss their response. That's all there is to it. Open Fantastical, tap the hamburger menu, go into Settings, scroll to Help, choose Contact Flexibits Priority Support, and follow the prompts. With these steps, you'll be connected to the people best equipped to help you get back to planning your day smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need.